Hey, what's up? Okay, we're talking about AI. We're talking about AI is useful now, and it's magic. Whether you're a videographer, or whether you're a 3D animator, 2D animator, anything with motion, if you do anything that has video in it, this is going to be useful for you. So what is it? It's called Flowframes. It's magic. Don't Google it because it'll just come up with B stuff. But it's called Flowframes, and it's an AI interpolator, and it's going to be able to fill in the gaps in your footage. So if you are, let's say you're doing video, right? You want to make slow motion footage, but you haven't recorded in slow-mo. If you put it in After Effects and try and pull it out, you know, it's just going to guess every frame. This is going to use AI to guess, and it's so much better. It's insane. And you can do it 2, 4, 8 times. I got this beach footage, you can see it right now, and look, this is without, just I've warp stabilized both of these, but like after I've interpolated the frames, and this is after, and you can see it's so much smoother, and it's slower, and it doesn't, you couldn't even tell that an AI has just, the AI wasn't even there, you know, he's just in the computer and he's done it. And if you do 3D motion or animation or anything and it takes a long time to render, with this you can render every like second frame or every fourth frame and then get it to interpolate, and you're going to save so much time. This is me showing you what I was able to do with this footage that I accidentally did at 12 frames and then I fixed it, and this is absolutely magic. It's insane. Oh, but where can you get it? Alright, there's a link in the description. Go download it. Like, you're not going to need it tomorrow, but you're going to need it one day. And when you do, you better wish you had it already installed, because, you know, who knows if this will always be free. You know, he might take it down. I don't know, but you chuck him a donation, you know. He seems like a cool guy. I can't remember his name. It's at the bottom of the screen right now. It's really good. It's insane. Just go use it. Go try it. Seriously, just put something test in there. You'll be astonished. It's insane. I don't know what else I need to do. There's nothing else I could show you or tell you that this AI is real. AI is real, and it's actually helpful, and you might actually need it. You don't have to buy like a C200 to get 240 frames footage. You can just shoot it at 25, 50, and with this you can slow it down, and 9 out of 10 people won't tell, and the 1 out of 10, just trick them. It's magic. Anyway, I've been Tiger, and you've been entertained and impressed, so yeah, give it a like, download it, and if you like it and you use it, give the guy a donation, because, man, he deserves it. I've seen a lot of really terrible AI using stuff, and this thing is the real deal. So, cheers, see you in the next one.